Hello investors, welcome to EPSMomentum and welcome to today's one stock in 1 minute. Today we will be analyzing AMD. Let's start with the chart. On the chart we can see that the earning momentum for the last quarter is 21, which is very good for the stock, and the earning momentum for previous quarters also looking very good. As you can see that the earning momentum for the last 7 or 8 quarter is positive and most of them are above 20. Now on the timing momentum we can see that the timing momentum is positive, which is 7.2, and the timing bias is negative, which is minus 1.9, and the market score is also positive, which is 0.3. Now as we look into the signals tab, we can see that the most of the signals are green. Just the timing momentum and the timing momentum bias is giving us red signals. On the matrix tab, we can see that the year-over-year sales increased from 1,932 to 3,850, which is a change of 99%, and the acceleration is 6.39%. On the EPS, we can see that the EPS increased from 0.18 to 0.63, which is a big increase of 250%, and the acceleration is also good, which is 61.11%. On the post-earning announcement drift, we are on drift A, and on the drift we can see that the current stock price is 107, which is very near our average price, which is 117. Now as the quarter goes on, we can expect that the price may rise till the max average of the drift, which is 181. We can expect that the stock price will trade between the average of 117 to a max average of 181. On the revisions tab, we can see that the revision score got a boost of 20%, which indicates a very positive sentiment from the Wall Street investors. So that's it for today, guys. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. You can use our many other filters which are available on EPSMomentum by signing up free. So please visit us at EPSmomentum.com and sign up for a free account.